I hope you're doing well. So today we're going to be doing ear massage, which is going to help to brighten the skin. Ear massages have been used for thousands of years in Ayurveda, in traditional Chinese medicine, and by massaging the ears we have so many wellness benefits for the mind and body, but also it really helps to boost the blood flow and the circulation around the face as well. So you just want nice clean hands to start with, and we're just going to use index finger and thumb. We can go onto both earlobes. I'm going to turn slightly so you can see really well on this ear here, and we're going to start just by pulling downwards. So just working a really great acupressure point here. By the end of this first massage, you should start to feel a really nice warmth spreading from the ears all the way across the cheeks and going towards the nose there. If you don't worry. We're really working not only on circulation, but also on boosting the chi or the prana, that subtle energy. We're now going to come to that outer edge area and we're going to pull. So again, I'm turning to slightly show you here, and we're just pulling outwards now. Now do some breathing whilst you do this. Again, it's going to help with that prana or that chi. And just do a few more there, and then we're going to go to the top part of our ear. So we're just going upwards, breathing deeply. Relax the rest of your face as you do this, and then just take a deep breath in, a deep breath out. Maybe you already start to feel that warmth coming all the way across the face. Again, index finger and thumb come onto your earlobes and just do some really nice circular actions here. Massaging into that earlobe, move up about 1 centimetre and doing that again, and then moving up about 1 centimetre again. Feels so relaxing as well. And then you may want to change arm position slightly, doing that lovely circular action, going all the way round and then just lifting off. Again, you may start to feel that wonderful warmth there. That's a great sign that you're boosting circulation. And remember, good skin, good well-being is all about circulation and all about energy. So for our final technique, take 2 fingers and just simply smooth all the way around the ear. So just working that ear area, smoothing around gently, and then finish just by bringing those 2 fingers into that little acupressure point there, that little indentation where the jawbone meets the ear. Holding there, breathing. Close your eyes if you like here. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out, and then gently release. If you'd like more information about face yoga or how you can become one of our certified qualified teachers of the Danielle Collins face yoga method, you can head to faceyogaexpert.com/teacher training. Take care, bye bye.